Hi, Michael, NANABOOZHOO, Natasha, Emily, and Steven, she says. BOOZHOO! I love your show and your books. Hope you like mine. NG. And Kiki. Kiki, I love your book. Thank you so much for sending it to us. Today we're going to read Kiki's book, Fishing by Torchlight.
BOOZHOO! Hi, my name is Kiki. Today I'd like to introduce you to my new OJIBWE girlfriend. She is going to go spearing fish tonight with Wawa Shigeshi, deer, and me. That is the story I am sharing. Anyway, my new friend's name is Wisagi Maingan Coyote. We call her by her nickname, Wasabi. My Niwi Ji Wagun, my friends, are ready for adventure. Don't forget to close the door. Oh yeah. After dark, we each put on headlamps. Then we got into our boat and went out on the lake. Arr, it's time to board the boats, matey. This better not wreck my hair. Eek! Soon we saw a jumping oga walleye. Is my hair messed up? It was so cool. That oga looked like he was smiling at us. Mama Haji. Awesome, said Wasabi. Then I remembered we forgot to do something. We need to put our asema, tobacco, down. We always need to do that when we harvest plants or animals for food or medicines. So we did for Gichi Manadu, the Great Spirit, and then paid respect to Mishibaji, the underwater panther. A few minutes after that, we heard some laughing. That sounds like Jenna and Savannah, said Wawa Shigeshi, our friends from school. It cannot be them, I said. They are not from our tribe. I heard them tell someone today that they were going to fish on our lake tonight, said Wasabi. That is against the rules. They cannot fish when we do because they are not Anishinaabe, original people, what we call ourselves. They have to wait till their fishing season begins, I said. Soon we stood in our Nabik Wananes motorboat. We shined our headlamps into the water until we could see the oga. Then Wawa Shigeshi dipped her spear in the water quickly and thrust it forward. I got one, she yelled. We all cheered, ho-wah, ho-wah, ho-wah. It was awesome. We thanked the oga for offering itself to us. We speared just enough oga for the three of us. We never take more than we need. When we got back to the launch, who did we see? A tribal officer. He told Jenna and Savannah they should not have been catching oga and that he would take them. After Jenna and Savannah left, we asked the officer, what will happen to the oga? We'll give them to our elders, he said. The next day at school, we invited Jenna and Savannah to a Zaza Bigizija Genuje we Agonjing, a fish fry, so they wouldn't feel so bad. Yum! The best fish ever. And this has been the story of Fishing by Torchlight. Words by Kiki, Garcia, and pictures by Erin, Kant, Barnard.
And it's available on Amazon.com, huh? Yeah, it sure is. Should I find a link and put it in the description? Yeah, we should. If you want a copy of this book, we left a link to the Amazon page. You can buy it for yourself. All right. Miigwech gana wabi egg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO! NANABOOZHOO! Podcast about children's literature. Yeah. I will see you again. Iga wabamin. Minawa.